fellow Toastmasters and my dear speaker, Toastmaster Amjad Ali. Today, he is going to deliver a speech from Pathways Path, the Leadership Development. Manage Successful Event, Level 5, Project 1. In this project, the purpose is to practice planning, organizing, leading, and implementing an event. He need to plan, coordinate, and complete an event of his choice, whatever is like to choose. Tools for planning all aspects of an event are included in this project. After he complete the event, he has to present a 5 to 7 minutes speech in our club. That is what he's going to do now. And she also has to share the impact or how he has planned his process, how he has coordinated with his team, and how he has done the organization for which the event was held. All this can be a humorous, informational, or any style what he appeals to him. He can choose. There's no restriction or there's no limitation to choose a theme or a topic. He has chosen very nice topic. I liked it very, very nicely. He has put it awesomely simple. So let us listen to our speaker, Toastmaster Amjad Ali, how he is going to deliver his speech, how he is going to manage successful events. It is awesomely simple. Back to Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you very much, DTM Praveen Panikar, to explaining the criteria for speaker one. Our first speaker is our IT specialist. His positive quality I have noticed is that he is happy to teach others what he knows. Today, first speaker is Toastmaster Amjad Ali. Speech title is Awesomely Simple. Let us welcome our present VPPR, Toastmaster Amjad Ali, ambitious Toastmaster Amjad Ali, for his speech. Title is Awesomely Simple. Welcome, Toastmaster Amjad Ali.
Every minute you spend in planning saves 10 minutes of execution, and it gives you 100% return on energy. Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. We all must have managed events in person where we need to do a lot of arrangements, venue, accommodation, decoration, lighting, stage, backdrops, and so on. But things have changed since COVID-19 pandemic, where we started attending meetings, classes, and which saves a lot of money and time. Virtual events and virtual event platforms have become so popular these days because of various reasons, and COVID-19 pandemic is one of them. These conferences and meetings have become so popular these days. Today, let me talk about my experience of planning and organizing and leading an event and implementation virtual platform. Graduation ceremony of Thirukkural Institute of Science. Recently, in January 2021, Toastmaster Navneet Krishna told me that there is an event that we need to organize, that we need to manage. And this event is going to be a virtual event. I was so happy with that. We started the planning in February, since 1st February 2021. We had several meetings. We discussed a lot about the virtual platform. We discussed a lot about the possibilities of bringing the people from a normal stage to a virtual stage, because it was not possible to meet in person and plan for the event. That's the reason we had various meetings virtually. The team was, of course, from the Thirukkural Institute of Technology, of Science, and we planned certain things. Of course, the way we plan the physical events, we had to look for the venue. We have to decide what will be our theme. We have to decide how the stage will look like, how the decoration will be done, who will be invited, how the invitation will be sent. In virtual way also, things are done in the similar way. We have to choose what platform we have to use. Similarly, the way we choose the venue, the way we choose hall, the way we choose hotel. So we had decided the platform, and then we had to design the stage. In physical world, we designed the stage we get the theme, we decorate it. In virtual environment, we also design the 3D background. We also design the 3D stage. So we had various discussions on this as well, that what will be the type of the stage that we are going to put in. The major challenge that we faced was the language. It was a Tamil club. The World Tamil Association had the event was organized by them. And everyone in that group was speaking Tamil. And I was the person who could not understand and who could not even speak a single word. But still we were able to manage with the help of team. Though the communication gap was there, but we were able to communicate, we were able to discuss about the planning before we started the event. We planned well in advance. We had all the tools available to us, which we were going to implement on the event day. So the major challenge was the prize distribution. In this event, in fact, there were many kids were going to perform on the stage, on the virtual stage. So that was fine because they could perform from their homes. But the major challenge was how to distribute the prizes, because prize had to be distributed physically. And if we call them to a place, that was also not possible because of the current pandemic and restrictions. But we planned in such a way that we distributed all the prizes to everyone. There were almost 60 participants, and we did not make any crowd, and everyone took the prizes, everyone got recorded, and we used the green screen the way I am presenting right now. So event started on 12th of February, morning time, we distributed the prizes and recorded the event. And in the evening, we broadcasted the event live. So everyone was on the virtual stage performing their role, and kids were performing their roles, and it was nicely presented to the audiences. Physical event has limitations where you are limited to the local or locality of the place where you are giving that event, where the event is being conducted. But in a virtual environment, things are totally different. In the virtual world, you can place your virtual event globally. When the physical event or in-person events are conducted, we have to have a lot of budget to arrange the beverages and food, to arrange the decoration, to arrange transportation, to arrange even accommodation in some cases, to invite the guests from the faraway places. But in this case, even the guests were from ministers from India who participated in event without spending any penny. So virtual events are great, but there are some limitations also, because you cannot have face-to-face discussion. You cannot shake hand. You cannot have chit chat by sitting on one table while the event is being organized. Such events, when we are conducting these online or in a virtual world, there are various tools readily available where we can spend the money and we can present that. But with limited budget, we had to explore various technologies, and with simple steps, we became creative to present this in a virtual world. So you don't need to spend enough money, but little time to be creative and to be productive. This way, you can organize your events awesomely creatively. Over to you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guest. This evening, my speaker, Toastmaster Amjad Ali, has chosen to speak on an informative speech. Leadership Development Level 5 Project 1. He could have chosen any field according to his liking, and he has chosen an informative speech. And he started his speech in a beautiful manner. I would say 1 minute of planning can save 10 minutes of execution and 100 minutes of energy. It is a very apt way to present a speech. The importance of what he is going to talk about. Very good opening. I think let us all give a big round of applause to our speaker, Toastmaster Amjad Ali. And he was talking to us about how he has conducted an event, not physically, virtually. Of course, we know that there were so many challenges, so many planning is, so many things are required to get a good product. So he has done various things to get this product to the best of its form. He started his planning on the 1st of February, and so many meetings that is very much required when you plan for a meeting. And virtual, he has compared with physical, a platform for the auditorium, a stage for a 3D stage. Like he has gone into all nitty-gritties, what all is required to conduct an event. And also he has told us what all challenges he had being in virtual. His first and foremost, the challenge what he has faced was the language. He could manage to overcome that. Then the price distribution, the budget, all he has gone into details and told us how he conducted. And finally, the product has come out very well. The grand graduation ceremony, even conducted in Tirukkural Institute of Technology, was a big success for Toastmaster Amjad Ali. That was very much shown on his face, because he was so happily presenting his speech, because he was so involved, he was so much planned very well, and he saved so many things because of his proper planning. As an evaluator, my suggestion one is the preparation of the speech which he has presented today would have been much more better way, I think, could have done it, I felt. Then the ending was very abrupt. So in the ending, he has told us, you can make the virtual meeting to the best by doing a good creativity. You can use all your budget, everything what you are planning can be compensated by giving a good creativity. And finally, he could have shown that creativity, what he has done in Tirukkural Institute of Technology to us in an audio video, not video, in a slide, would have been very, very attractive, all of us. Overall, the speech was excellent. If we could incorporate all these points, I'm sure he will do even better in the upcoming projects. Wish you all the very best to my speaker, Toastmaster Amjad Ali. Back to General Evaluator.